Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add measurements in FreeCAD. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, here at the top main toolbar, select measure. Okay, so you will see it right over here. This tool measure a feature like that. Now, what we need to do is select the edges or something you want to select, and you will see it right here, all the data which you are interested in. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can measure your 3D 3D project. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next